Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at the calendar module. So alright, let's just go ahead and bring this in. Calendar. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we have videos coming out all the time. So alright, last time we looked at PR month. And that just printed out the year and the month. But now if you also look, it has the week going from Monday through Sunday. So let's look at something. Calendar. So alright, let's look at set first weekday. So help set first week. Helps if you get all the letters in there. Alright. Well, that's not very helpful. But alright. It goes 0 through 6. Monday is 0, Sunday is 6. So calendar set weekday, set first weekday 6. And then now let's print our month, and boom. So here we are. So now this is set, so everything you do going forward, it's going to be Sunday. How about we say that you have a Tuesday through Monday week? Well, so that'd be what? 1, and then we print it again, and there we are. So boom, that simple, that handy. This is why I just love everything Python, but this is a very awesome module, and we'll just keep going through. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.